Sun's coming up over Calgary. It's 5 degrees. You're watching CTV Morning Live. Thanks for being with us. Well, whether we're changing up our kitchen or updating a bathroom, the tile you use can make a big difference in how the finished product turns out. And Lane now joins us from the Home Expo. Lane, so many choices are available.
There really are, and this is tile that is appearing on walls, on floors. Look at this example behind me. This is a beautiful piece, and it's like artwork, a stone on the wall, Danny. This is just one sample that you have here at Stone Source International. Tell me about this.
Yeah, this is a product that we call Boulder Panels. What it is this is real stone on the front, but on the side, it's actually backed with this aluminum PVC, and what it does is it holds the product together. So what it's
stunning.
Yeah, you can see how thin it is. It's only 3/8 thick, and it's mostly used for things like shower walls and things like that. What happens is before, if you wanted like a groutless, seamless shower and you wanted real natural stone, what you'd have to do is get a countertop, like slab,
right,
and you put it vertically, and it's really, really heavy, and so it's hard to install and be really, really expensive. So with this product, it allows it to have that look without the cost.
That's right. You have some other amazing features and products. I love these backlit items here. Tell me about this.
Yeah, this is our translucent series from our Boulder Panels, and what it is it's been backed with a fiberglass instead of the aluminum PVC, and what you see is it's completely translucent.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's just like having a piece of art right on your wall.
And that's what that's for, and it gives some nice soft lighting as well. So many different ways that you use tile. You have some other examples over here, maybe tile we would be more familiar with in a black backsplash, or?
Yeah, these products are mostly for backsplashes, mosaics. We have them in glass, we have them in stainless steel and stone.
Beautiful.
Lots of different looks.
And I want to quickly get to the bigger slabs that we're seeing for flooring over there.
Yeah, over here we have, on the left here, this is porcelain, and then we have marble, travertine. What's really popular these days are the large format tiles, and if you can see this piece right here, this is 24 inches by 48 inches, and it's a huge, huge tile, but it's getting more and more popular because people are looking for that grander look.
Okay, well, thanks so much, Danny, and you will, of course, be down here at the Home Expo. You have a special on for people who are going to come and visit your display. So much to see down here at the Home Expo. Visit their website.
Thank you.